and in this video I would like to focus on type 4 interchange of degrees of comparison. So we have been learning about these types, and in my previous video I have explained to you about type 3. So today we are going to learn type 4. So I want everyone to pay attention so that we can understand. So let us start. Ravi is one of the cleverest students in the class. Again here it is in superlative degree. How can we know? Looking at the adjective here. See, cleverest. This is the superlative degree. And as I said about the definite article, it will be preceded by superlative degree. And the difference between type 3 and type 4 is, in type 3 we will not have one of. We will have only the cleverest student. Student will come. But here this is a type 4. In type 4 we will have one of. So remember, that is the difference. In type 3 we will have Ravi is the cleverest student in the class, and in type 4 we will have this sentence. Ravi is one of the cleverest students in the class, which is in superlative degree. Next one, its comparative degree is Ravi is cleverer than many other students in the class, and it is in comparative form. And its positive degree is very few students in the class are as clever as Ravi. Now let us try to understand the meaning of these three sentences. Okay, now here I have written something here. Try to understand. Suppose if we take a class in which we have 35 students, among these 35 students, there are 4 students who got first rank. These 4 students got same marks. Now we can just consider them or recognize them as the best or the cleverest. So among these 4 we are talking about one student, that is Ravi. So here Ravi is one of the cleverest students in the class. Okay. So there are a few cleverest students. Among those cleverest students we are talking about one student. That's what here Ravi is one of the cleverest students in the class. Okay. So here in this sentence again, one of, we are talking about one student. So when we have one of and it will be followed by plural noun. So that's why here we will have students. Even I have made a video about the use of one of. So remember friends, one of will be followed by plural nouns but not singular noun. So most of the time we do mistake here. One of the cleverest students in the class, it is in superlative degree. Now here we are talking about one student, Ravi. He is one of the cleverest students in the class, and now its comparative is Ravi is cleverer than many other students in the class. So here these many other students are out of 35, 4 they got first rank. Among these 4, one Ravi, he also one of the person who got first rank. And now here many other students. This many other represent this number 31. So the number 31 is more, and the number 31 is most, and it is more, many. So that's why here we are comparing Ravi with other remaining 31 students. Ravi is cleverer than many other students in the class. So here many other means 31 students. Now come to positive degree. Very few students in the class are as clever as Ravi. Here, what about this very few? This very few is, okay, these three students. Okay, these three students. Okay, and this three, the number 3 is very few and it's a very less number. So that's why very few students in the class are as clever as Ravi. Because these 4 are the cleverest students and these 3 are as clever as Ravi. So in this way we need to understand this type 4. Then let's see second example here. R.K. Narayan is one of the most famous writers in India. Again it is in superlative degree, most famous. And then its comparative degree is R.K. Narayan is more famous than many other writers in India. Many other writers. And sometimes we can also write in the place of many, most other students in the class or most other writers in India. Most also can be written in the place of many at times or sometimes. Next one, very few writers in India are as famous as R.K. Narayan. It is in positive degree. So in this way we need to understand type 4. Now remember here type 4 in an easiest way we can remembering these words. See here many. Now friends tell me the word many has how many letters? 4. M-A-N-Y, many. And it is a type 4. And even you come here very. The word very also has 4 words. Very few. Only you take very. It has 4 letters. And you remember in type 4 we will have in comparative degree many and in positive degree very. So we have to remember in this way. So in type 3 we have only the cleverest and any other in comparative degree any other and here no other. Any other, no other. And in type 4 comparative degree many other and here very few. So we can remember easily by saying that superlative degree, one of, comparative degree, many other, positive degree, very few. So in this way we need to remember, and even if we know these words and we can easily remember how to convert from positive to comparative and from comparative to superlative degrees. I hope you have understood this explanation and this type 4 and keep on watching my videos, and if you like this video please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you one and all.